looks like a sound stream of the very stiff subwoofer here. It actually doesn't move at all. I'm gonna run a lot of bass music, bass boost music, all that stuff. You see the shake? I can hear a lot of shake. Now this subwoofer shakes a lot. Today we're gonna find out, are they underseat subwoofers, active subwoofers, any good? I want to install my Tahoe on the trunk. I'm gonna show you. Let's go. The subwoofer we're installing today is this one, brand new company called Active Subwoofer. It reminds me Soundstream, the pad. I did the unboxing video. Let's install the subwoofer and run the music. I'm gonna run a lot of bass music, bass boost music, all that stuff, but it's on the copyright music, right? And I'm gonna install in the trunk, and we're gonna install under the seats. Then we're gonna find out if these subwoofers any good for the price. Should you buy it, or you should just skip it and install two 15-inch subwoofers? Let's check this out. As you can see, it's installation brackets comes with it, and the signal input. And this is the subwoofer itself. As you can see, the amplifier is really nice. There tons of different inputs, flexible inputs, right? You can do the speaker input or the RCA input, and you can do the bunch of low bass filters. You have fuse. It's a fuse here, remote input, and the power input. So as you can see, looks like a sound stream of the very stiff subwoofer here. It actually doesn't move at all. So the wires, as you can see, is like 12-inch. I think it's the power wires, very thin, and I have pre-installed wires already on my vehicle, so I'm not going to use any of these. Now, subwoofer bass control, we're going to control that. That's definitely useless. Definitely useful. I mean, I'm going to run to the front, and we have here the power wires. Right, this is what I have. This is my the trigger wire, and this is the power wires, and I have a speaker lines and outputs here. So this one is going to be directly from my subwoofer out. These are just the speaker outs. These are kicker cables. Don't buy the cheap cables like this, because you're gonna buy twice. These are, I think, the $35 cables, and these ones $150, and now it's on sale. I put the links on the description, right? Now let's connect this all together. This is a speaker cable, right? They included, so it's gonna goes like that, rear and left, rear, right. So we're gonna utilize this tool with my subwoofer out. This is because on my vehicle I have a subwoofer already, so I have output. I didn't take my wire strip or anything like that, right? So what are we gonna connect this one black to black and red with the strip. Our signal is ready. I'm gonna stick this one here, speaker wire input, right? This one, I'm gonna do this on a little old. I'm not gonna run this cable, I'm gonna just throw it to the front. Stick where the remote control is. And now I'm gonna use the clean tool. It's a very nice screwdriver. You see, like multiple options in the one screwdriver. If you go to the Home Depot, or if I find in Amazon, I put the links in the description. You have very nice option. I use this tool a lot. It's very nice tool to have in the trunk. All right, we'll do this. Now this is a ground cable. Ground goes here. Now positive goes there. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Cable, take it off, connect it. And now this is a dangerous wire. This is positive. Everything's connected. I want to turn on the vehicle. Hope you guys watching this. Does it explode anything? It's explosions happens here. You guys gonna see before than me. Right, we get the green light. That's good. This is a phase control. And let me play some music. Alright, that's gonna be like crazy. Alright, this is the first music I played, right? Alright, this is no subwoofer. I cut the zero, right? You see that? The blue light is gonna come on now. Okay, let me look the keys. Now this subwoofer shakes a lot. This is what the adjustments I have. Alright, close the trunk. Okay, sub on, sub zero. Watch, sub on. You see the shake? I can hear a lot of shake though in the truck. So yeah, definitely puts up tons of bass. It's not surprisingly like you know 15-inch subwoofers. It's not going to be like Orion subwoofers or Ryan subwoofers you call, or you know any like big, but it's adds up really missing part of the audio. If you install on the front seat, you're gonna feel a lot more vibration. You feel a lot more bass. If you want to impress your friends, definitely install under the seat on the front seat. That's gonna give you even more bass, even more, you know, the friends gonna be like always saying, oh, you have a nice sound system. There's big difference with the trunk installation and the front seat installation, right? These subwoofers made for under seat installation, so it's not gonna take any space, but you're gonna have really decent bass. Next video is gonna be YANKA subwoofer. I have a 12-inch version of the YANKA and 10-inch version of YANKA. YANKA speakers were surprisingly very well sounding speakers, because I test like multiple speakers with the price wise. Now they have subwoofers also, exactly same active subwoofers, and in the future I'm going to show you how to run the cables, all that stuff, but this one's the pre-round cable. The cable I'm using is a kicker, the wire harness. Don't buy the cheap cable. I put some videos, maybe I'm gonna mix those videos together. So if you buy the cheap cables, you're gonna buy twice, because you have to buy it, but it gets oxidized inside those cheap cables. And yeah, pretty much it. All these my two speakers is more expensive than that subwoofer. These are Kappa series speakers, like 6x9s. They put up tons of bass. Even that subwoofer, I can hear it. I can hear now the kicking on the back. Here. Yeah. I put a bunch of, you know, good sounding headphones. Always on my video I keep saying like, guys, use the headphones. I put a bunch of headphones for you guys. You can buy like cheap as $20-$30, but really good sounding headphones, right? On description. And also I put the description for this subwoofer. If you decide to spend, you know, less than around $100, those subwoofers comes with the wire harness, everything, and it sounds good and the bass is good. Hope this video helps you guys. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe. I put the tons of, you know, audio, video equipments, audio equipment, speakers, home audios, car audio speakers, all that stuff. I'm testing with a bunch of electronics, right? I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.